In a green forest lived a little bird named Chicky. Chicky was small, but very kind.
Oh no, I can't cross the river. Don't worry, I will help you.
You see, Chicky dropped a leaf in the river, and the ants safely crossed.
One day, a hunter came to catch Chicky Bird.
This is for my friend!
The hunter ran away in pain.
Thank you, my friend. Friends always help each other.
Moral: kindness always comes back to you.